Hello children, I am Prasanna. In this video I am going to explain 3.6 exercise of Unit 3 playing with numbers. In this exercise we are going to do sums based on the relationship between LCM and HCF. In the last video I have explained what is the relation between LCM and HCF. Like LCM into HCF is nothing but product of two numbers. Here first question, find the LCM and HCF of the following numbers and check the relationship between them. So first we will find the LCM of 15 and 24. Here I am finding 15 and 24 LCM. 15 and 24 will go in 3 table, 3 5s are and 3 8s are. And 5 and 8 are co-prime numbers, you can leave it. So what is the LCM children here? 3 and 3 into 5 into 8. 3 5s are 15, 15 8s are 120. So here you got LCM as 120, right? Now we will find HCF. HCF of 15 and 24. Here. 15 ones are 15. Here 9 left over. Again 9 remainder will become divisor. So previous divisor will become dividend. 9 ones are 9. How much? 6. Again 6 divided by 9. 6 ones are 6. Again 3. 3 twos are 6. Here for which divisor you are getting remainder as 0? For 3. So HCF is nothing but 3. So you got your LCM of 15 and 24 as 120. HCF of 15 and 24 as 3. Now we will find here product of two numbers. Two numbers means which are given in the question. 15 and 24 will find out product. 15 into 24. Here I am doing 24 into 15. 5 4s are 20, 2, 5 2s are 10, 11, 12, 4, 2. So 0, 6. So here you got 360 children and here you find the product of LCM and HCF. That is, what is the LCM you got here? 120 and HCF is 3. So when you multiply 120 into 3, 12 is 36, 360. Right? Here if you observe product of two numbers you got 360 and the product of LCM and HCF also 360. Therefore, we got that product of two numbers is nothing but LCM into HCF. So this is the relation. Coming to in that second one, 8 and 25. Children, here 8 and 25 are co-prime numbers. What are co-prime numbers? The numbers which are having only one as a common factor. So whenever you got co-prime numbers, LCM is nothing but the product of these two numbers will give you LCM. So what is the LCM here? 8 into 25, that is 200 is the LCM. And how to find the HCF of a co-prime numbers? You always get a HCF of co-prime numbers at 1. These are the two important points you have to remember children. The LCM of two co-prime numbers is nothing but their product and HCF of two co-prime numbers is always 1. So we will check the relation here. Okay. Here coming to LCM, 8 and 25 are co-prime numbers. Right. So LCM is nothing but LCM of these numbers is its product. That is LCM is nothing but 8 into 25, that is you will get 200. Right? Now coming to HCF. HCF here 8 and 25 are co-prime numbers. So HCF of these numbers is 1. Always HCF of co-prime numbers is 1 and LCM of co-prime numbers is its product. So LCM you got as 200, HCF you got as 1. Now we will find the relation. First we will find the product of two numbers. What are the two numbers given? 8 and 25. 8 into 25 how much children? 200. Now we will find the product of LCM and HCF. What is LCM you got here? 200. And what is the HCF? You got 1. 200 into 1 gives you 200. Are you getting the same answer? So therefore, finally we can say that product of two numbers is nothing but equal to product of LCM and HCF. Next to 12 and 48. Here we will first find out LCM of 12 and 48. Here 2 table, 2 6 are 2 24 are. Again 2 table, 2 3s are 2 12s are. Again 3 and 12 will go in 3 table, 3 1s are 3 4s are, and 1 is left over. 4 if you take 1 and 1. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 4. How much you are going to get? 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 4s are 48. So LCM you got as 48. Now we will find the HCF. HCF of 12 and 48. That is division method I am going. 12 4s are 48. So for what divisor you are getting 0 as remainder 12. So HCF is nothing but 12. Now we will find the product of LCM and HCF. What is LCM? 48 and HCF is 12. 48 into 12, how much you are going to get? 2 8 is 16, 1 2 4 is 8 9, 8 4, 6 7 1, 576 you are going to get, children. 576. Now next, product of two numbers. What are the two numbers? 12 and 48. 12 and 48 when you multiply you are going to get 576. Therefore product of LCM and HCF is nothing but product of two numbers. Next one, if the LCM of two numbers is 216. Here they are given LCM as 216 and the product is nothing but here product of two numbers. Okay, two numbers is given how much? 7776. They are asking you to find what is HCF. I told the relation formula for HCF. For HCF is nothing but product by LCM. Product is nothing but here product of two numbers. Product by LCM here. What is the product? 7776 by LCM is 216. Here you can go for division or you can do cancellation if you are. So here you came to 6th class children, you better go for cancellation only. Here slowly you cancel with 2 table and taking other color pen. Right? 2 table I am cancelling. 2 3s are 6. 1 2 8s are 16. 1 2 8s are 16. 1 2 8s are 16. Next this one 2 1s are 0s are 8s are. Next 2 1s are 2 9s are 18. 2 4s are 2 4s are. Next 2 5s are 2 4s are. Next 2 9s are 18. 1 2 7s are 14. 2 2s are 4. Next 2 2s are 4. 2 7s are. Next this will go in 3 table. Right? 3 3s are 3 2s are 6. 3 6 are 3 4s are 12. Right? Next 3 9s are. Next 3 table. 3 1s are 3 zeros are 3 8s are 24. 3 3s are. Next 3 3s are 3 6s are and here 3 1s are. So finally you got answer as 36. So equal to 36. So therefore HCF is nothing but 36. Third sum. The product of two numbers is 3276. Here they give product of two numbers. How much? 3276 and if the HCF is 6. HCF they are given as 6. They are asking you to find the LCM. So what is the formula for LCM children? Product of two numbers by HCF. So what is the product of two numbers? 3276 by 6. if you go for cancellation, directly you can cancel with 6 because the last digit is even, it is divisible by 2. When you add these digits, you get the divisible by 3. Therefore, you can do directly with 6, or you can do with 2 table first. 2 ones are, 2 six are, 2 threes are, 6, 2 eights are, and 2 threes are. And here it is divisible by 3. So 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are 12, 3 6s are 18. So you got answer as 546. 546. So therefore, what is the LCM, children? 546 is the LCM. Next, fourth one. The HCF of two numbers is 6. What is given here? HCF of two numbers is 6 and the LCM is 36. Here they gave the value of HCF and LCM and one of the number. So one of the number is nothing but first number, okay? 12, and find the other number. Other number. Question mark. So what is the formula of other number, children? Other number is nothing but LCM into HCF by one of the number or first number. So what is the LCM here? 36. What is the HCF? 6 by one of the number is how much? 12. So do cancellation. 6 1s are, 6 2s are 12. If you do 2 1s are, 2 18s are. So how much you got? 18. Therefore, the other number, how much you got, children? 18. So by this we completed exercise 3.6.